Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can quickly set up the OpenClaw skills. So let's get started. Now in this video I'll be only showing the skill configuration step. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial on how you can install Clawdbot as a complete beginner, you can find that video on my channel, and I'll also link it at the end of this video. But today I'll only be showing the skill configuration step so you know how to configure skills. So in the setup wizard, once you reach this step right here, you would just need to confirm by pressing enter on yes, configure skills now. Then you would need to install Homebrew for everything to work, so just go ahead and confirm yes, install Homebrew, and then select npm. After that, you will be on the skill configuration screen or skill configuration step, and here you would just need to select which skills you would like to add to your OpenClaw bot. So you select these by using your arrows on your keyboard and then pressing space on the skill that you would like to select. You also have a short skill description right here in this red text, so you can read each skill and then select the ones that you would like to use with your OpenClaw bot. The most important skill that I would recommend installing or selecting is the Claude Hub skill. This skill would allow you to add custom skills using your chat app to your OpenClaw. So this is essentially the skill that would unlock unlimited amount of skills to you. There are also some other helpful skills, like for example Obsidian right here, that would allow you to connect your nodes with your OpenClaw so you can stay on the same page. Now for the rest of these, you can read each one and then select the ones that you think suit for you. Next up, once you have all of your skills selected, you would just need to press enter to confirm your choices and then proceed to the next step. Now, depending on the amount of skills that you selected, they will be installed, so this can take a few minutes if you selected a large amount of skills. Next up, you would just need to add all the API keys that are required for the skills that you selected. So for example, if you selected the Google Places skill, you would just need to search in your search bar for Google Places API key and then just go ahead and copy paste that key right here. So before doing so, you would need to select yes, I would like to proceed with this skill, and then just paste your API key here. Once you have your API key pasted, just go ahead and confirm it by pressing enter. And then you would just need to do the same for each one of these. I'll just skip these because the process is completely the same. Except for the Gemini API key, there you would just need to go to your Google AI Studio and then get your key from there. So this is how the Google AI Studio looks under the API key section. You would just need to create a key and then copy it by using this icon right here. Then just confirm yes here and go ahead and paste over your API key. Now keep in mind you shouldn't share your API keys with anyone. I will delete these later. Then again confirm it with enter and do the same with each one of these. And that's essentially how you configure skills or select skills in the OpenClaw bot. If you found this video helpful, you can watch the full guide right here, and I'll see you in one of the next videos. Thank you for watching.